vehicle?
I was gonna tell you, carefully, it might smell you.
Is there an hour meter on this thing anywhere?
Huh?
Is there an hour meter on this anywhere?
Like how long it's been running?
Yeah.
Well, that's how long it's got to go and everything.
Okay.
And then how long it's going to take for it to penetrate.
Anything that
Your garnet flow, your water pressure.
Do it for equipment hours.